हाँ ठीक है. Hello everyone. Let's start our questionnaire sessions on Indian geography. And Indian geography पर हम जानते the questions are really they ask in analytical manner. We have to know the content. Here we'll discuss the questions, the factual part, but more focus on your conceptual discussions. More focus on your conceptual discussions. Let's see now. First, the region in India known as the rice bowl of India is basically rice bowl of India region. Indo-Gangetic Plain, Krishna Godavari Delta region, Northeast region, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Indo-Gangetic Plain, Krishna Godavari Delta region, Northeast region and Kerala Tamil Nadu. Rice bowl of India. Rice bowl of India, it is your Krishna Godavari Delta B. Acha, iti mo agote jinsa kahi after every two substantive questions we will discuss the answer. Jimti. ठीक है, data questions पर we will discuss करें answer तक. Next, the Duncan Passage is situated. Duncan Passage is situated in Minicoy Aminadive, Minicoy Maldives, Little Andaman Car Nicobar, and it is your South Andaman and Little Andaman. Answer is your D for Delhi. Right? It is South Andaman and Little Andaman. Krishna Godavari in Andhra Pradesh and the Krishna Godavari Delta region is called a rice bowl of India particularly. It is known as your rice bowl of India. The rice bowl of India is the state of Andhra Pradesh, particularly the state of Andhra Pradesh. It has historically held that distinction and within Andhra Pradesh. Historically held that distinction and within Andhra Pradesh. It is the East Godavari district that can be called a rice bowl of Andhra, particularly. It is East Godavari district and can be called the rice bowl of Andhra particularly. ठीक अछि. It mu kaibi I am talking about East Godavari district, Andhra Pradesh is famous for your rice cultivation. East Godavari district. South Andaman or Little Andaman. Next question is tomorrow. That question is Andaman Duncan Passage situated in between. Duncan Passage तुम देखिए भी Duncan Passage वाला तुम्हारा it वाला तुम्हारा Little Andaman South Andaman आओ तले अच्छी तुम्हारा छुट्टी है that is your Little Andaman. A मस्जिद है that is your Duncan Passage. So Duncan Passage is a strait of Indian Ocean. It is about 48 km wide It separates the Rutland Island, particularly part of Great Andamans to the north and the Little Andaman to the south. Right? West of Duncan Passage, particularly, the west of Duncan Passage is your west of. So Duncan Passage exists. West of your Duncan Passage is your mainly Great Andaman to the north and the Little Andaman to the south. Duncan Passage is the Bay of Bengal and east of the Andaman Sea. Several small islands and islets lie along the passage. So this basically small island and islets means those who are these are the basically these islands are basically your volcanic origin. Basically, one rakhandu is your volcanic origin. They are basically volcanic origin, and since they are volcanic origin, the vegetation that grows there, the vegetations particularly grows there is basically your tropical rainforest nature, or in the some part it is your deciduous vegetations. Next, which of the following geographical term related with the naturally formed, narrow, typically navigable waterway that connects two larger bodies of water? Two larger bodies of water. One is your Bay of Bengal and another is your Indian Ocean. This is the strait. Related to with naturally formed narrow, typically navigable waterway. And next two larger bodies. That is your answer is your strait. For this example, this is your Park Strait. Strait. Park Strait. How connect Park Strait? Park Strait connecting your Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. Next question, which of the following is suitable definition of archipelago? Karam? Archipelago is a circular coral reef, basically. Archipelago is a circular coral reef, encloses a shallow lagoon, a chain or set of islands grouped together. The plant and the animal life on the earth, none of the above. Archipelago is a chain or set of islands that group together. Archipelago. Group of islands that group together. For example, Indonesia. What the answer? Strait it is the strait is a narrow passage of water connecting two large bodies of water. One is your Atlantic and another is your Mediterranean. Atlantic and Mediterranean. This is your Strait of Gibraltar. This is your Strait of Gibraltar. A narrow waterway joining two larger bodies of water, the Strait of Gibraltar, for example, connects the Mediterranean Sea with Atlantic Ocean. We can see the Mediterranean Gibraltar that connects Mediterranean Sea with the Atlantic Ocean. It's a narrow strip of sea that links two larger areas of sea. A chain or set of islands grouped together. Chain or set of islands, जो कि archipelago. Particular archipelago जो हम definition नवा. It is chain or set of islands that group together. Example: an archipelago, sometimes called the island groups or island chain. Island groups or island chain is a chain, cluster, or collection of islands, particularly. or sometimes a sea connecting a small number of scattered islands. Island archipelago, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and Japanese archipelago and Philippines archipelago. These are the archipelago where you find a cluster of or group of islands together. Cluster of islands or the group of islands, they are together. Indonesia is the largest archipelago of the world. Just a minute. Sorry, which of the following is the largest archipelago in the world? It is your Andaman Nicobar, Malaysia, Indonesia, Maldives. It is your Maldives. Which of the following is the world's largest peninsula? We discuss India, South Africa, Arabia, and both A and B. Largest peninsula. It is your Arab Peninsula. Arab. Indonesia is one of the largest archipelago in the world. Each Indonesian archipelago, which is located within the Malay archipelago, but the Indian and Pacific Ocean, between the Indian and Pacific Ocean, Malay archipelago, Indian और Pacific Ocean मझिरे ही मोर अच्छी Malaysian archipelago. ठीक है. According to Indonesian's Coordinating Ministry of Maritime Affairs, this archipelago is made up of 17,504 islands, or let's say near about 18,000 islands. The National Institute of Aeronautics and Space, however, reports that number of islands in the archipelago is actually 18,000. Somehow it is approximately 18,000. See, such a big number. That is why it is your largest archipelago in the world. Next, Arabian Peninsula is the Earth's largest, spanning 12,50,000 square miles. It connects to mainland Asia and is surrounded by Persian Gulf, the Red Sea, the Arabian Sea, and on 3 sides, as well as the other small bodies of water. This is your Arab Sea, Indian Ocean. This is east. Okay, these are as well as the other small bodies. Arab Peninsula is like this. Which of the following paths has been created by the Indus River? Rohtang Pass. Just a minute. It is Rohtang. No, this is Rohtang Pass. This is your Rohtang Pass. Then your Nathula Pass. Then Balatra. Then Manihal Pass. Created by the Indus River. It is D for Delhi, Banihal Pass. Next, which passes make away the land route between the Kailas and Mansarovar? Kailas and Mansarovar, Manna Pass, Rohtas, Manna Pass, Manna Pass. Nathula and Balatra Pass. Banihal Pass, देखिए, it is nearly actually located 2,000 832 meter elevation अच्छे है ना. Banial Pass, if you see, it is nearly located in the 2832 है ना. 2832 meter elevation अच्छे. The Pir Panjal mountains connect the Banihal with Pajikund and over the mountains. The Pir Panjal mountain range separates the Kashmir Valley in the Indian state of Jammu and Kashmir from the outer Himalaya and the plains of south. In the Manna Pass देखिए, Manna Pass was an ancient trade route between क्या वितर चला. Manna Pass is an ancient trade route between Tibet and India. तिब्बत और इंडिया भीतर थिला. Indian Uttarakhand. It led from your Badrinath to Gaztown in Tibet. Manna Pass जोटा Tibet और India via Uttarakhand ले जाउची. The trade route was successfully functional in 1951. Inauguration पर 51 भी successful थिला between the Indo-Chinese, but in 1954 an agreement was signed between India and China and to allow pilgrims and their other travelers and other travelers to travel through this path. This is very inevitable question. They can be asked from this. Next question. Who have the following link? Okay, next देखिए. Which of the following pass links Srinagar to Leh? Which of the following pass link Srinagar to Leh? First, Manna, Rohtas, Nathula, Zojila. Okay, so Srinagar to Leh जदि हमें देखिए, it is your Zojila Pass answer. Zojila Pass. Next, which of the following river has the largest river basin in India? Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra and Krishna. It is your Ganga river basin. Okay. Zojila Pass is a mountain pass in the Himalayas. Zojila Pass is a mountain pass in Himalaya in the Indian Union Territory of Ladakh, located in the Dras sector. Particularly, this is the India map. It is the Dras sector particularly. Right? This is the Dras sector. Ladakh, located in Dras Pass, connects Kashmir Valley to its west and Dras and Suru Valley to the northeast, and the Indus Valley in the further east. The National Highway 1 between Srinagar and Leh is in the western section of the Himalayan. Western section of the Srinagar Leh Western Himalayan mountain range traverses the pass. Since the vehicle flow stops during winter every year, since the vehicle flow stops during every year, due to heavy snowfall, the weathered Zojila tunnel is now constructed to mitigate this. Next question देखिए, river basin ऊपर जब तुम कहोगे The Ganga river basin, which is comprised, that is 10,80,000, 80,000 square kilometer. The Ganga river is the most sacred river of India. Ganga basin is the most fertile for the agriculture. Ganga river basin jodi dekhibo, the most fertile agriculture. The Godavari river basin is near your 3,12,812 square kilometer. Brahmaputra river basin then as Ganges pare Godavari, then Godavari basin, then Brahmaputra, Krishna, and Indus. Brahmaputra, Ganga, then your Ganga pare tomar aschi your Godavari, Krishna, Godavari, Brahmaputra, Krishna, and Indus. और जब मैं रैंक वाइज करी इंडिया रे रिवर बेसिन रैंक्स नंबर 1 रे इंडस, नंबर 2 रे गोदावरी, नंबर 3 रे ब्रह्मपुत्र रैंक, नंबर 4 रे कृष्णा, नंबर 5 इंडस. तामने sorry, it is just a minute, this is number 1 rela Ganga, then 30 लिखवा 1 रे गंगा, 3 रे ब्रह्मपुत्र, 5 रे your Indus. गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र इंडस. अब 1 3 5 रे 2 4 रे रहला तमर गोदावरी और कृष्णा. These are the basins. So exam रे पढ़ले जब suppose गोटे स्टेटमेंट बेस बेसिन बचल, we can have write loud this. ठीक अछि, एलिमिनेट कर परियो. गंगा 1, ब्रह्मपुत्र 3, और 4th रहला your your Ganga, Brahmaputra, and 5 रे Indus. 4th Krishna, 2nd Godavari. Next देखो, which of the following rivers is not a part of Panchanath? को river टा Panchanath रा part no. This is Ravi, Indus, Chenab, and Jhelum. Not part of Panchanath. Ravi, Indus, Chenab, and Jhelum. It is answer is your B for Bombay, that is Indus. Which of the following rivers flow in a rift valley? Son, Yamuna, Narmada, Luni. Following rivers flows in a rift valley. So answer is your, it is Narmada, C. Next देखिए, explain करिए. Panchanath is formed by a successive confluence or merger of the 5 rivers, that is your Punjab, namely Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beej, and Satluj. Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beej, and Satluj. Panchanath area is now located in Punjab, Pakistan. But Panchanath area देखियो, it is Pakistan रे अछि. Basically, it is an agriculture area near Uch. Uch. It Bahalpur, and it is where all the 5 rivers of Punjab merge. And all the 5 rivers where Punjab merge. It is a beautiful picnic point and known for its fresh fish. Then Narmada, देखिए Narmada river is that flows through a rift valley. केमती This is your Vindhya range, and this is your Satpura, Vindhya and Satpura, and Narmada. Narmada flows through like this one. Flows through this one. So Narmada flows through, you can say this is Narmada flowed through the a rift valley, Narmada river, this one. So each person is on a block mountain. One person has uplifted and other person is your downed. This person is your block mountain, and in down drop persons, this one down drop person, this is your down drop. Narmada river in India that flows through a rift valley flowing to the west between the Satpura and Vindhya range. The other rivers which flow through the rift valley include Damodar river in Chotanagpur Plateau and Tapi. The Tapi river and the Mahi river also flow. Tapi and Mahi also flows to the rift valley, but between different ranges. Tapi be different range, Tapi be, and then Mahi also. So India में देखिए maximum rivers they flow in a fault line. Okay. Next, consider the following statements which are related to the Vishnu Prayag. It is one of the Panch Prayag. One of the Panch Prayag. 5 confluences of Alkananda river. It lies at the confluence of Alkananda and Dholigiri. Alkananda and Dholigiri. Alkananda and Dholiganga river. Dholiganga is a river in Chamoli district in Indian state of Uttarakhand. Second, the place of confluence of Alkananda and Bhagirathi is placed. Okay, so which of the following statements are correct? Confluence of Alkananda. So this is, so it is so here neither one, neither two. KB ठीक no. Vishnu Prayag, this is the place of Alkananda and Bhagirathi, no. It is a Dev Prayag. So statement 2 is wrong. Now 1 of 4 with through. It is the answer is your 4. Which of the following related to the storms? Following which are the related to the storms during a hot weather season, particularly. Yes, just a minute. The mango showers, since in the air rain showers are good for your mango trees, occur along the coast of Kerala. Lu is the name given to the hot dry winds. Okay, blow in the northern plains. It is very common in Punjab, Haryana, Western UP, called Andhi. Okay, so this is correct. Mango showers, since rain occurs in the coast of Kerala. Okay, here both are correct. Vishnu Prayag derives from the name Vishnu. According to Hindu scriptures, it is the place where the Nada immediately after the Vishnu reappeared from that. So it is Vishnu Prayag. Same case as the rainfall occurred during March, April, although their arrival is often difficult to predict. monsoon is very uncertain. We cannot say that every year it comes with the same time, but generally predictions are made that it hits the Kerala coast by first June. The intensity can range from light showers to heavy and persistent thunderstorm. Intensity vary karibo light light and persistent thunderstorm. In India, mango showers occurs as a result of thunderstorm development over the Bay of Bengal. Mango showers is the name. Mango showers is the name of pre-monsoon showers in Karnataka, Kerala, Konkan, and Goa. Koti mango showers kind of guys. This is a pre-monsoon in the state of Karnataka, Kerala, Goa, which helps in ripening of mangoes. They are also known as April rains or summer showers. Next, which of the following statements are true about the southwest monsoon? The bulk of rainfall is received during this season in almost every part of India except Tamil Nadu. Southwest monsoon. This is correct. Receiving rainfall almost every part of India except Tamil Nadu. Yes, it is correct. Except Tamil Nadu छोड़ा बाकी सब जगह रे माने रेनफॉल टा हुए है only one, only two, one and two, and only the one. So here, then which of the following longitudes is the standard meridian of India? 69, 30, 72. Standard meridian of India. It is by 82 degree 30 minute east. We'll discuss. Southwest monsoon period is the principal rainy season for the Indian subcontinent. Indian subcontinent the maximum अधिका वर्षा के था जेटा हला southwest monsoon particularly. This is the summer season, monsoon period where summer monsoon period where the southwest monsoon hold away over the country. Particularly, the whole country receives nearly 75% of its rainfall, 75% rainfall during this period. Even if गोटे जगह एत्ते अधिका हुए से समय बॉम्बे रे जति फ्लड देखा हुए आसाम रे फ्लड देखा हुए आसाम इज मोर वल्नरेबल टू द फ्लड्स है ना आसाम है ना southwest monsoon sets over the extreme southwestern peninsula by the end of the month. अच्छा तापर देखा 82 degree and half यूज करा. दिस इज आवर स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन. ठीक अच्छे. द स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन ऑफ इंडिया इज 82 डिग्री है एंड हाफ ईस्ट 30 मिनट ईस्ट ऑफ द ग्रीनविच मेरिडियन है. तो मुझे कहूँ अर्थ ग्रीनविच मेरिडियन इज है. दिस मेरिडियन पासेस थ्रू योर द सिटी ऑफ Allahabad, particularly Allahabad city the cross करछे. It runs through the center of the country. Center of the country रे pass करछे center टा. In 1905 the longitude was declared as the meridian to as the meridian to create the Indian standard time. It passes through Kota, UP, MP, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. UP, MP. Next देखिए यदि हम accurately देखिए it actually got a place अच्छी that is called your Mirzapur. Mirzapur. This is your Mirzapur. You can say Mirzapur. It is in your Allahabad. Mirzapur near Allahabad. So you will call Mirzapur is more accurate. Especially पचाते हो Allahabad Mirzapur, you'll go for the Mirzapur. Next, which of the following places receives the highest rainfall in the world? Silchar, Cherrapunji, Mysingham, Guwahati. It is answer is your C, Mysingham. What is the local name of the wind blowing in the northern plains during summer? Northern plains रे बड़े काला बैसाखी, trade winds, Lu, none of this. It is Lu, C. The average annual rainfall, it is 11,871. 11,871. The places that record the highest rainfall on the east is Mysingham. My east Mysingham is Meghalaya, located in Meghalaya. India is located only 15 km from Cherrapunji. Cherrapunji to India 15 km. 15 km. Located only 15 km from the Cherrapunji villages. In Mysingham, use grass to sun-drop their hearts. Mysingham is in Meghalaya. So Mysingham pakhre agote jaga achi, that is your Cherrapunji. Mysingham is देखो yearly, annually, there is 1200 centimeter your precipitation. 1200 centimeter ले mm ले कितना होगा 12,000 centimeter चाह ये भी से तो पाखरे हैला इटा Mysingham तो पाखरे अछि तमरो Cherrapunji. Cherrapunji ताठू just 1150 your centimeter. ठीक अछि. Next देखो Lu. अच्छा मेघालय रो जदि देखिबे एठू कर दोची एठी तांका तीनटा अंक माउंटेन लगा लगे कि थाते मेघालय प्लेटी ऊपर. This is Garo, Khasi and Jaintia. Garo Khasi मज एठी फन एठी से माने असंति पवन ग्राम. Next, the hot dry wind of northern plains of India called Lu. Hot dry winds of northern plains in India called Lu is the name which is provided to wind which blows in north of May and June in the northern plains. The boiling heat with the temperature gets to 45 to 50 degrees Celsius. 45 to 50 degree, which causes sunstroke and it is fatal for the health. Sunstroke and it is fatal for health also. Next question देखिए. Which of the following region rainfall during winter in north and northwestern part of India? Rainfall during winters and the northwestern part of India. Cyclonic depression, western disturbances, rotating monsoon, southwest monsoon. Rainfall during winters in northwestern part of India. Following is region. Rainfall during winters in northwestern part of India. It is cyclone dispersion then western retreating monsoon. This is answer is your northwestern pocket is the कहबो, particularly it is your western disturbances. Which of the following factors is characterized by the cold weather? ठीक है, cold weather season in India. It is your warm days and cool nights. The warm days and cool nights are the main. Western disturbances, it causes rainfall during winter in the northwestern part of India. Northwest India. This pattern of driven by the westerlies. Western disturbances are important. The development of the Rabi crops. Development of the Rabi crops by western disturbances. Mainly it is the wheat. Wheat mainly wheat. अपने देखिए भी बाजरा भी also promote करा जाए. Next देखिए warm days and cold night. The cold weather season in India begins with during mid-November in North India and stays till February. Then the coldest month during the cold season. The days are warm and the nights are cold. The days are warm and the nights are cold. Cold month. Northern parts of India experiences cool days and your cold nights. देखो एठी जदि गोटे हम देखिबा इंडिया रो बाय नेचर इंडिया इज ट्रॉपिकल हैला प्रथम कथा है बाय नेचर इट इज इंडिया इज ट्रॉपिकल एंड सिंस इट इज ट्रॉपिकल सो इट इज वार्म एंड ह्यूमिड. ठीक है जी, सिंस इट इज ट्रॉपिकल इट इज बाय वार्म एंड ह्यूमिड. ठीक है जी, उष्मा टाइप का वार्म एंड ह्यूमिड. Consider the following statements regarding the Himalayan range. It forms the highest mountain range. Just a minute. Just a language. It forms the highest mountain range in the world, extending 25,000 kilometers over the North Indian, bounded by the Indus River in the west and the Brahmaputra in the east. The three parallel ranges Himadri, Himachal, Shivalikes have deep canyons caused by the rivers flowing into the Gangetic plain. ठीक है, here both are correct. Indus River west रहेला, Brahmaputra east रहेला. Parallel ranges Himadri, Himachal, Shivalikes have canyons. Canyons माने है ना तुम्हारा कौन कौन थे? गंडा, खत्ता, है ना? You can say in the answer. देखो, both 1 and 2. The Himalayan ranges is one of the youngest mountain ranges on the planet. Okay, it consists of mostly uplifted sedimentary and metamorphic rock. Uplifted sedimentary and metamorphic rock. According to the modern theory of plate tectonics, its formation is a result of continental collision. The formation is a result of your continental collision or along the convergent boundary. Along the convergent boundary, main Himalayan thrust between the Indo-Australian plate and the Eurasian plate particularly. ठीक है, so this is for today. ये गोटे जिन कह कि जमी आम ये पढ़ुं सपोज गोटे एग्जांपल वेस्टर्न डिस्टर्बेंसेस आम देखिले. वेस्टर्न डिस्टर्बेंसेस जदि आम देखुं वेस्टर्न डिस्टर्बेंसेस particularly कोठू जनरेट होची जेमति कहा जाए कि द वेस्टर्न डिस्टर्बेंसेस जनरेट फ्रॉम द है मेडिटेरेनियन region. What is Mediterranean region? Mediterranean region is in Europe, correct? Or Mediterranean Sea. Region or the Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean region or Mediterranean Sea, है Mediterranean region. तो Mediterranean region कौन पे माने mainly driven by your westerlies. Westerlies माने particularly they blow westerly, they blow from west to east. है पश्चिमरू से माने बहुत पूर्व से वेस्टर्ली कह है वेस्टर्ली सब they seen in the middle westerly they visible in the middle latitude है middle latitude मैंने particularly westerlies देखो 35 to 45 भितर westerlies are majorly they have in this one ठीक है okay then so you would have analysis करी पड़े it will be more beneficial for us to counter the questions है